ayaw ni Jeff na sinusunog yan. Ata ni ata yeah. Ah, you put your socks in it? Ah, sige, grandma is gonna get grumpy. Look at that horsey, your unicorn, that's a big muscle there. Parang nakakatakot na yung muscle ni unicorn, eh. At can we put that now? Yeah, no? Can we put it on the so that your camper is gonna ride? Yeah, why you do that? Sige, tataas pa yan, itaas mo pa yan, mother. Taas pa yan, ayan tataas yan, eh. How you do Jelana, can you teach grandma that one? Basta, yeah. Oh, why you do that? Hindi parang ano, slide yan, slide. Sa baba yan. There you go, yeah, mag-slide. Yan, mag-slide yan, ta's mag-slide yung hindi yan, sa kabila yan. Yung baby doll mag-slide. Eh, yeah, see? Slide. Ayan na, yan na ni. Slide, higa, ah. Okay, slide again. Okay, eat your food. Bestie. That's a nice camper, Jelana. Grandma can play now. That's yung kakain kayong dalawa pala. Are you gonna eat with grandma? Ano yung laro maglaro. Ay, Jelana, no, no, no. Okay, come on now. Oh, okay, yeah. Grandma, fix it. Take off your hindi ba mahuhulog? Ilalagay mo sa loob yan, ah. Hindi pa ilagay mo diyaan, eh, may laman naman yan. Alisin mo muna yan. Now we can move. Okay, right now. Hila mo na. See, I told you. Okay. Hilay mo na, grandma. Grandma, start walking now. Go sell the monkey. Okay, keng grandma. May hila ba to ni mahulog kaya? Hindi ka ba mahulog? Hilain niya? Oh, see? Hindi. Whee! Toink. Again. Oh, hilain na ni grandma ni. Sample.